I've got two different sorts of salt here. I've got normal salt, sodium chloride, what you put on your chips, and ammonium chloride. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dissolve these in water. I'm going to see how much will dissolve. I'm going to see which is the most soluble. So this is the first beaker. I'm going to put salt in this one, and the starting mass of that is 83.51. And this is the second beaker. This is going to be the one with the ammonium chloride in. I'm going to weigh the mass of that. And that is very similar, 83.48. Right, let's put some normal salt in the water. Let's start sticking a load in. Don't know how much is there. Right, let's stick some ammonium chloride in. Some ammonium chloride in the ammonium chloride one. That's funny, that one floats. That's a bit freaky. Right, let's see if we can start getting them to dissolve. I'm going to start stirring them. Right, stir, stir, stir. Let's go. And stir the ammonium chloride. Well, they're both pretty much gone. Let's add some more. Right, well, this ammonium chloride just keeps on dissolving, so I'm just keep on putting more and more and more. Add more and more. That's weird, it goes really cold when it dissolves. It's called an endothermic reaction. It's really cold. So I know something's happening, because it's just getting colder and colder. Let's just get that going. Salt, the normal salt. There's still some at the bottom there. I'll give it a little stir more. See if we can get that to go. Give it another minute. So, I've got the stuff to dissolve as much as I can. I can see a little bit of salt and a little bit of ammonium chloride left, but it's roughly the same. So let's weigh them. Let's see what we've got. So, the new mass of the salt is exactly 92. And the new mass of the ammonium chloride is 94.72. Well, I've just done a little takeaway sum, and that tells me that the salt one started off at 83, went up to 92, and the amount of change is 8.49 grams. We've got 8.49 grams of salt dissolved in there. So the amount of ammonium chloride is 11.24 grams, which is much, much greater than what's in the salt. And also, don't forget, that was floating. This stuff's much, much lighter. It's much less dense. It's really, really light and floats on water. So although it only looks like 3 grams worth of difference, it's actually an awful lot more ammonium chloride dissolved than salt.